Hi everyone, it's Anna from TechCuz, and today I've got another quick episode of Pound Shop Tech. And in today's episode, I will be reviewing the Signalex HDMI cable. The packaging for the cable is very basic. It's just a plastic bag, and on the front it says the cable is a 19-pin male-to-male for connection between two HDMI devices, and is ideal for use with set-top boxes, DVD players and game consoles. To open the packet, you just cut the top off with some scissors. In the packaging, you just get the cable itself, and the build quality of the cable is actually quite good. It comes with some plastic pieces on the top to protect the ends. The cable is really thick, and next to each end it says HDMI and feels very sturdy. The actual HDMI ends are not gold plated but still seem to work fine. To use the cables, you just plug one end into the device you want to be displayed and the other into a TV or monitor. I found the cable to work absolutely fine and to be just as good as my Nintendo Wii U HDMI cable. The only downside to this cable, in my opinion, is the length. It's only 1 meter long, which is really quite short, and I would have much preferred it to be 2 meters long, as otherwise you have to ensure the two pieces of tech you want to plug in are close to each other in order for the cable to reach. However, for only £1, I would still definitely recommend this cable, as I found it to work well like any other HDMI cable. And usually HDMI cables are quite expensive, so this one is quite a bargain in my opinion. So thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this.